Back with hot stock 75.59 on the index. The broader end of the market is up about 0.5%. Pritesh Mehta, Head Technical Research, IIFL, with us in our studios. Pritesh, let's talk individual stocks. What's the call on United Spirits and telecom names which are buzzing in trade?
Now see, we are talking about McDowell's. The stock has gone down drastically in last 1 year or so. But right now it's trying to find a base. It's a good sign. I think as long as the support of 2,100 is holding on, I think there's every possibility of stock bouncing back. And I think on the upside, the stock can go back to 2,500, 2,550.
Okay, and what's the word on Idea and Bharti, Pritesh? You know, today the markets are looking quiet, but these are some stocks that are buzzing in trade.
I think we are talking about stocks which have not done well in the last couple of weeks now. These stocks, especially Idea, the stock is on the verge of forming some sort of base pattern, which is a good sign. I think a move above 113 would reaffirm our positive view on the counter for at least short-term horizon. We can see a move towards 119, 120, at least in the short term.
And what are your top recommendations on hot stocks?
See, first stock, the first recommendation is buy on Just Dial. We are talking about a counter which has been witnessing waves and waves of selling since last 1 year. But thereafter, we have seen some sort of bottom formation taking place, and the stock has given a breakout from a downward sloping trend line on the daily and weekly chart as well. So there are back-to-back confirmation on long-term and short-term charts. I think this stock could do well. We can see levels of 850 going ahead. And the second recommendation.
Go ahead.
Yeah. And second recommendation is buy on Reliance Capital. Now see, this stock had a terrific run up in the first week of March. Thereafter, it went to sideways consolidation. This consolidation eventually took shape of a flag pattern. Now it is breaking off from this flag pattern. So buy for a target of 405.
There you have it. Two recommendations on the buy side. Pritesh is advising Just Dial and Reliance Capital for a target of 405. But let's connect with our team of research analysts, talk about what dealing rooms, what the trade setup is, as well as which is the hot stock to watch out for. Darshan's here to tell us